We're here in a museum in the Heritage Park. What I like about this is Arabic written in this is bamboo. No? Grabe, no? And you have old na mga materials, no? Ito, I think abot ng centuries na to. You see here also old text. Yung luma na, preserved, no? Ito maganda dito, this is just free museum visit. This one also. Then dito yung mga artifacts na, mga armaments here. You know. These are coins. Gold coins, no? Ganda. Wow. Dami. Gold coins. This is yung family, no? Na responsible for the present growth of United Arab Emirates. Ayan na. And this one also, ikot lang tayo, no? Just to document the effort of these visionary leaders. Ito mga armaments. Yeah, sige, haba lang. Dami nilang mga this area kasi syempre daanan ng mga iba-ibang mga civilizations. Normal that you have strong armies. And what I like about yung place na to, itong statement, no, ni Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. A nation that has no past has neither present nor future. Di ba? Ang ganda. I'm the only one na iiwan dito ngayon sa loob. Museum nila. This is just within the Heritage Park. Kung lalabas ka, makita mo yung okay. Very nice, no? Very nice.